Ever feel like you're stuck in a loop? Deadlines looming, endless revisions, and your projects still don't feel polished enough to wow your clients? To stay competitive, you'd need tools like KlingAI PRO, ElevenLabs AI, Adobe Firefly, and Runway ML. But at $25 here, $39 there, suddenly you're paying over $8,000 a year just to keep up. Introducing OneAi 2.0, your all-in-one solution to make professional content creation simpler, faster, and way more affordable. With OneAi 2.0, you get lifetime access to 12+ premium AI tools in one seamless dashboard, without any monthly fees. That's right, no subscriptions, no hidden charges, just powerful tools at your fingertips. KlingAI Pro. Transform your raw footage into stunning 8K videos. Runway ML Pro. Add professional-grade cinematic effects with a click. ElevenLabs AI PRO. Generate lifelike voiceovers that captivate audiences. Adobe Firefly 3 Pro. Create visuals that stop your viewers in their tracks. Hear what others are saying, a game changer for my workflow. Lisa, a video editor. I used to spend hours fixing subtitles and color grading. Now, I'm delivering projects twice as fast, and my clients love it. Saved me over $7,000 in subscription costs. Mark, a YouTuber. I thought it was too good to be true, but OneAi 2.0 has everything I need to create top-quality videos without breaking the bank. And here's the cherry on top. Bonus offer. Purchase OneAi 2.0 today, and we'll throw in free access to OneAi 1.0. That's double the tools for the same low price. But hurry, this bonus is only available for today. So, what are you waiting for? Stop juggling expensive subscriptions and clunky tools. OneAi 2.0 is your one-stop shop for all your content creation needs. Click the link below to grab OneAi 2.0 today and unlock your creative potential. OneAi 2.0 isn't just another tool, it's the tool to take your projects from good to extraordinary. Try it today, risk-free, and see the difference for yourself. OneAi 2.0, where creativity meets simplicity. Click now and get started.